Our universe is a very mysterious place. It is impossible to explore it completely in today's time. But whatever part has been explored, many mysterious things have been found here. Like, there is a planet in our own galaxy which is made up of diamonds. And also, do you know that amount of energy that sun releases in 1 hour is so much that we humans cannot consume it even in a year? We will know more such amazing facts about the space in today's video. So let's start. In about 20 billion years, our home galaxy Milky Way, along with thousands of other galaxies, will combine together to form a single large galaxy because all of them are being pulled towards a mysterious place by some unknown force towards a massive region of space called the Great Attractor. We actually don't know what is this Great Attractor. It could be a very big black hole or even something more mysterious. But this is the place where all these galaxies will combine and will form a supermassive galaxy in about 20 billion years from now. If you stand on the equator of Mars, you will feel cold and hot at the same time. There will be a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius near your feet, whereas the upper part of your body will feel minus 5 degrees Celsius. That means you may or may not wear the shoes on your feet, but it is necessary to wear a jacket on your body and a cap on your head because the atmosphere of Mars is very thin, due to which the sun rays and the heat are not able to stay here for a long time and your upper body feels cold temperature. But the sun rays and the heat still gets absorbed by the ground and heats up the surface. That's why surface of Mars is quite hot compared to the rest of the atmosphere. About 40 light years away from us, there is a planet named 55 Cancri E, and surprising fact about this planet is that it is made up of diamonds. The entire planet is made up of carbon-rich material, most of which is a pure diamond. Not only this planet is around 3 times bigger than our planet Earth. But reaching there to get those diamonds with our current rocket technology will take around 150,000 years. And upon reaching there, you will have to face extreme heat at this planet, around 2100 degrees Celsius. Right now, outside the Earth, about 1 million pieces of broken rockets, satellites are orbiting our planet Earth, that too at a very high speed of 21,000 km per hour. They are stuck under the gravitational force of Earth like our moon and are revolving at such a high speed. These are called space waste. And the most surprising thing is that some of these pieces fall on the Earth every week, but no need to worry about them. They are very small in size and most of them get burned due to the atmospheric friction before they could reach the Earth. Did you know that this empty vacuum space smells like burned steak? Astronauts returning from spacewalks have reported a distinct scent from their spacesuits when they re-enter the spacecraft from the outer space. The astronauts have described the smell as a mix of burnt steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. Similarly, astronauts from Apollo mission described the lunar dust from the moon smelling like a gunpowder. 99% of the weight of our solar system belong to our sun, and 0.5% of the weight of the solar system is shared by Earth and rest of the planets, moons, and everything else. If you compare the mass of the sun with the mass of the Earth, then it is 350,000 times heavier than Earth. All the volcanoes on the Earth are very hot. Thousands of degrees of hot molten lava comes out from them. But on the moons of the planet like Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus, there are some volcanoes which are icy, from which water, methane and ammonia gas comes out and which gets crystallized as soon as they come to the surface and are known by the name cryovolcanoes. This Neptune, a gaseous planet in our solar system, is 4.4 billion kilometers away from the Sun. The temperature of the atmosphere of this planet is approximately minus 200 degrees Celsius. It is obvious that heat of the Sun does not reach here at all, but one fact of this planet is that it produces its own heat, which is 2.5 times more than the heat received from the sun, because the temperature of its core is approximately 5000 degrees Celsius, which makes this planet both cool and hot at the same time. Planet HD 18973b is a planet in our Milky Way galaxy where the temperature is approximately 6000 degrees Celsius, and when it rains here, it rains molten glass which falls at the speed of 6000 kilometers per hour. We don't know that life exists on this planet or not, but if it exists, then immortals could be living here. Do you know that amount of energy that sun releases in 1 hour is so much that we humans cannot consume that energy even in a year, even by covering entire planet with solar panels? Although scientists believe that not today, but after 1000 years, we will become technically advanced enough to use 90% of the sun's energy, but only if we exist for that long. Passing of Halley's Comet is a beautiful astronomical event that happens every 76 years. It is a comet that is stuck between gravitational force of Sun and other big planets in the solar system, due to which it passes near the Earth every 76 years. The last time it was seen from the Earth was in 1986, and there was huge crowd from all over the world to witness this event because it looks very beautiful and magnificent, and the next time it is expected to come around in the year 2062. You can mark this date and add it to your retirement bucket list, because by that time most of us will have grew quite old. The edge of the black hole, also known as the event horizon, is one of the most chaotic points in the universe, a point of no return. If something reaches there, it can never return. Even light can't escape from this point, because gravity here becomes so intense that it could pull and shred anything, even stars and planets. About 68% of the universe is made up of something called dark energy, a mysterious force causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. And surprising thing is that we know almost nothing about it. As you know that space is completely vacuum, there is no place for air, and at the same time the temperature here also remains in -270 degrees Celsius. If in such a situation two metals collide with each other, they will get joined forever with a very strong bond, and the metals formed from such a bond will be absolutely impossible to separate apart. This phenomena is called cold welding, which happens at very low temperatures. So that's it for this video. I will see you again with another interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.